Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our lesson, let us recite 5 surah. The first one, Surah Al-Fatihah. The second one, Surah Toha ayat 1 hingga 5. And then Surah Al-Inshirah, Surah Quraish, and Surah Al-Ikhlas by 3 times. After that, selawat ke atas Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam selama 2 minit. Dan kita niatkan selawat kita ni yang pertama untuk memenuhi perintah Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, kedua untuk memenuhi hak Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, dan yang ketiga untuk mendapat syafaat Rasulullah di akhirat kelak. Dan kita niatkan juga segala bacaan hafalan surah kita ni dan selawat kita ni untuk kedua orang tua dan seluruh umat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Kemudian doa sebelum belajar. Semoga dengan amalan ini akan membuka pintu hati para pelajar untuk mencintai ilmu dan mendapat ilmu yang berkah. Amin.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم طه ما أنزلنا عليك القرآن لتشقى إلا تذكرة لمن يخشى تنزيلا ممن خلق الأرض والسماوات العلى الرحمن على العرش استوى. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. 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 محمد اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل 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 محمد
Doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Ya Allah, bukakanlah ke atas kami hikmat-hikmat-Mu dan limpahilah ke atas kami khazanah rahmat-Mu, wahai yang maha pemurah lagi maha penyayang.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ya Rabbku, lapangkanlah untukku dadaku dan mudahkanlah untukku urusanku, dan lepaskanlah kekakuan dari lidahku, supaya mereka mengerti perkataanku.
Amin.
Amin, amin, amin. Ya Rabbal Alamin. In this session, we will discuss about evaluation of algebraic expression. So can you please get ready with your notes, page 46 until 47, and your worksheet, page 42. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to evaluate algebraic linear expression, including mathematical and scientific formulae, by substitute, integers, simple fraction, and decimals, including expression involving small positive integer exponent. Okay, so the keywords for this lesson will be evaluations, substitution. Okay, how we're going to achieve our LO? And here will be the steps, okay? The first one, you need to substitute numerical values for each of the variable in the expression. The numerical values always given in the question, so you need to substitute that value into the variable and simplify. Okay? The second one, simplify the expression using the order of operation. Now, although we focus with algebra here, but the expression will be follow the order of operation. Okay, what comes first that we're going to solve, and you need to remember if plus and minus in one expression, so which one that you're going to do first, things like that. All right. Again, in this slide, it emphasizing that to evaluate an algebraic linear expression, you need to substitute. Okay, how you evaluate is to substitute. What to substitute? You need to substitute the numerical values given in the questions for each of the variable in the expression, and then simplify. All right. Now, we start with example 1, 1a. For example 1, evaluate each algebraic expression when x equal to -2 and y equal to 5. Okay, so here will be the expression for part A, 2y minus 3x. I will give you 2 minutes to try these questions before we discuss the answers. Okay, 2 minutes from now. One minute left. Okay, now let us discuss this part A. Now, you need to substitute y and -2 into y and x here, and you should get this, alright? And then 2 times 5 will be 10, minus 3 times -2 will be -6. I put the -6 in a bracket first so that you can see here minus meet with minus. When minus meet with minus will become plus. Therefore, the answer for part A will be 16. Okay? Move to part B. 5 plus x to the power of 2. 5 plus x squared. And 2 minutes from now. One minute left. Okay, now substitute that x equal to negative 2 into this x square. So you will get this, and remember here negative 2 times negative 2. Same sign for multiplication will give you positive value. Okay, and then your answer should be 9. Now, part C, 5 minus x squared. I will give you 2 minutes to try. One minute left. Okay, now we substitute x equal to negative 2, and we will have this 5 minus bracket negative 2 square, and here we know that negative 2 is repeated twice and it will become positive. Therefore, the next step will be 5 minus 4, and we have 1. And the final answer for part C will be 1. The last example before we stop, example 2. An electrician uses the following formula to work out the charge for his service. P equal to D plus 15T, where P is the price in dollars, D is the distance in kilometer to travel to the customer's place, T is the number of hours work. The electrician travels 12 kilometers to a customer's place, so 12 kilometers will be your D, and works for 2 hours, 2 hours will be your T. Okay, so work out how much the customer has to pay the electricians. Now, although the question is lengthy, but it's actually the question asks you to substitute, okay, to substitute the given numerical value into this variable. First, D, the distance 12, and T 2. Okay, so can you please first try these questions? I will give you 2 minutes to try. 1 minute left. Okay, now let us do the solution for this example. So P equal to D plus 15T. You substitute the D and T. D change into 12 and T change into 2. And remember why I put bracket here so that you are not confused. And here you need to multiply. Okay, it's 15 times 2. And then we simplify 12 plus 30 and your answer should be 42. Therefore, the final answer for example 2 will be 42. Okay, now we have done with this topic. Don't forget to complete your notes and worksheet. Alright, and as usual, we will end our session by reciting dua. Thank you so much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Doa selepas belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni astaudi'uka ma 'allamtani fardudhu ilayya inda hajati ilaihi wala tansani ya rabbal alamin. Ya Allah, sesungguhnya aku menitipkan padamu ilmu-ilmu yang telah engkau ajarkan kepadaku, dan kembalikanlah kepadaku sewaktu aku memerlukannya kembali. Dan janganlah engkau lupakan aku kepada ilmu itu, wahai Tuhan yang memiliki semesta alam. Amin.